Hello, welcome to Carnegie Mellon University's MS in Computational Finance program. Congratulations for being admitted. My name is John Ostlund, and I'm going to be your professor for the MSCF Programming Prep course in August, as well as for Financial Computing 1 in Mini 1, the first half semester of the fall of 2020. And also for Financial Computing 2 in the first half of the spring semester in 2021. This course that I'm welcoming you to now in July of 2020, we're calling our MSCF Python Programming Basics course. It is optional, but strenuously recommended. You are expected by the time you arrive in August to know everything that is in this Python Programming Basics course. We are not intending to be cruel or unreasonable by expecting you to know all of this material. The fact is that your prospective employers almost all use a programming exam as the first level filter in their job interviewing process. And interviewing for internships begins very early in the academic year nowadays. So the more programming that you know before the academic year begins, the better off you will be. You may not have the opportunity to persuade the interviewers of your financial or statistical or mathematical prowess if you're unable to pass that first level programming exam filter. So what we are doing this year in the MSCF program is offering last year's programming prep course under this title, Python Programming Basics, during July. In August, the programming prep course will cover more advanced algorithms and some other ideas specifically targeted toward helping you be successful in your internship interviews. All of this material in the Basics course and the Prep course and Financial Computing 1 is all going to be about Python. In Financial Computing 2, in the first half of the spring semester, we'll cover as quickly as we can the basics of the C++ programming language if you find yourself needing to write algorithms that are more efficient than what you can do in Python. So the course materials for this Programming Basics course are all posted. Videos are also posted for those course materials. Because these were all developed and recorded last year, you may be a little bit confused because the videos will claim to be about programming prep. But in fact, this year, the Programming Prep course in August will be different and more advanced material than this Python Programming Basics material that we're delivering to you in July. I apologize for coming to you from my not very tidy basement office in my house. I'm here hiding out from COVID-19, as you are probably hiding out somewhere. I am available more or less all the time. I typically start checking my email at about 9 o'clock in the morning and check up until about 9 o'clock at night, 7 days a week. Sometimes I'll even check later than 9 o'clock at night. If you do have any questions about anything, any comments, anything you're confused about, anything you would like more information about, please contact me by email. I'm delighted to hear from you. I'm delighted to help you and answer your questions in any way I can. Okay, so welcome to the course. Please pay attention to the announcements that I post from time to time. And good luck.